FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers for the date of 24th August 2018. We'd like to present our view of trading of major currencies in the world financial markets. Of course, the topic number one discussing among traders at the moment is the Jackson Hole speech of the Federal Reserve System's president, Mr. Jerome Powell, today. That's scheduled for 14 GMT time, Greenwich time at the moment. And of course it will be very interesting how the Fed chair will react to the latest remarks made by the United States President Donald Trump regarding its negative view on current monetary policy conducting by the Federal Reserve at the moment. Of course, the last minutes from the last Federal Reserve Fed's meeting was more or less encouraging for the dollar bulls and was more or less confirming the picture that the United States Central Bank would stay on its path to further increase the benchmark interest rates. Anyway, these minutes describe the situation of the latest Federal Reserve System Federal Open Market Committee meeting, and that meeting took place before the last speech by the United States President. And all in all, in this respect, it will be very interesting how the Fed chair will react to possible questions regarding the Trump's policy. Of course, there is also another aspect, the aspect associated with trade policy conducted by the United States President's administration at the moment. And of course, you already knew that the United States Central Bank is more or less concerned about the impact of these trade wars on the United States economy as well as the world economy. In this connection, we should the market probably will stay in the range till the appearance of the Fed's chair. As regarding the euro-dollar, the situation here remains from a very short-term period still remains more or less bullish for the euro-dollar, because we're still trading above immediately bullish trend line located at 1.1520. Probably during the speech of the Fed's president, the euro-dollar could test this barrier, but anyway, we suggest that next week will be a week of dollar weakness. In this respect, it will be quite important should the euro-dollar break above its short-term downtrend line located at 1.1665. In the longer term run, only closing above the level of 1.1750, 1.1850 could really change the situation in better side for the euro currency. As regarding some other pairs, as you could see, the dollar-yen trading around 1.1140 at the moment, taking away our stop loss on aggregate short trade recommendation. Anyway, we will use another uptick closer to the level of 112 to re-establish a short trade recommendation, because till the end of 2019 we still expect the dollar weakness, and probably the Japanese currency will be a #1 beneficiary of such kind of correction. Anyway, as you could see, that's a little bit premature to enter new shorts, because in the short-term period the dollar-yen still remains quite well supported. As regarding the sterling still remains under political pressure, under the pressure of current talks regarding the future trade agreement between the European Union and the UK, and probably we also should put into consideration a possible scenario of no deal, which of course should impact quite negatively the English currency. At the moment anyway, the sterling should remain under the downside pressure, trading below its 2018 downtrend. All in all, moving average 200-day line lies quite far from here, around 135.50. All in all, the short as well as long trade recommendations should be to enter short positions in the currency. As regarding the dollar Swiss, probably it's a kind of scenario of double bottom against the lows, against the support level of 0.98. Anyway, while trading below technical barrier of 99, we still expect that probably dollar Swiss will further react to the downside, testing the levels of 97.51.5, where lies moving average 200 daily line. All in all, we still suggest that from a longer term point of view, the dollar Swiss is a sell above the parity level, and should present for you very reasonable levels to enter long term short positions, because till the end of 2019 we expect that dollar Swiss will fall to the levels of 0.95, 0.92. Thank you very much for your attention of our channel. We wish you a pleasant closing of the week, as well as nice weekend for all of you, dear friends, and for all of your families. See you on Monday, and bye bye for now.